Hi, Jakey.
Alright, son, you ready to eat?
This
Come.
is Jacob's first taste of food. He's gonna eat pumpkin.
Make a check on that, make sure that thing good. Cut up good enough, babe? Here we go. Try that thing.
Look, Jacob.
Babe, you didn't get any in his mouth. Alright, scoop it out. Look at that. He said no.
Like it?
Swallow, boy.
You like it?
Look, it's still on his tongue.
Can you get a little
Try
more?
it, eat it, boy.
Can you get a little
Not you
more?
watching it. See, vlog it.
A little more?
Yeah.
He likes it though, he's taking it.
Okay, but you sure that pumpkin was good, right? How long we have that in the fridge? Yeah, look, eating it, man. She didn't like that I said that.
Look!
Ah! Bump him out, son.
That's enough for today.
Yeah. Good boy. Good boy, son.
He likes it.
Look.
You like it? Oh! Look.
Where you want it, boy?
Oops.
Oh, yeah. Straight on his face.
Okay. That's enough.
Alright, now we have to wait 24 hours. Feed him again. Did he swallow any?
Yes.
Look, he wanted. Give him one more scoop. See if he'll take one more scoop.
In your hand.
Biting his spoon on.
Yeah.
Like spitting it out. Push it in.
Remember, he doesn't know how to eat yet. He has to practice. As his tongue comes out because of the bottle. He likes that squeezing it good.
Yeah, you get to it.
Very good boy.
You go eat.
He
You
wants more. Give him a little more.
One more, nice, you know. Where's it, Marlon? You ain't true? How much? Do I?